What's going on, traders? We're gonna get straight into it. I gotta make this video quick. All right, so first things first, there's a lot of orders coming in for MSTR and coin. I tried to get this video out before it closed, but unfortunately my mic died. So hopefully the market doesn't do anything too crazy heading into Monday, and maybe you guys can take advantage of this. But we're seeing a lot of orders coming for MSTR. Here on quant data order flow, we see 385 strike calls coming in with the expiration of September 26. Premiums 256K back to back to back. We click here. We see even more orders coming in for 375 strike calls with expiration of September 26. We see another order come in for 380 strike calls September 26 with a premium of 196K back to back and 150K back to back. We look up coin. I mean, it's just looking crazy, guys. It's looking like something is about to happen. I don't know what, but it's looking like institutions are expecting something crazy to happen. But we look at coin here, 352.5 strike calls coming in for September 26, premium 1.48 million, 900K. I mean, it just keeps going. Just keeps going. 355 strike calls, 2 million premium. I don't think I ever checked this one. Let's see what this one says. 350 strike calls, 2.72 million. I mean, it just keeps going. So when we look at the charts for MSTR, this is what I was telling Discord members and what I'm looking for. All right. So MSTR weekly time frame, you have this massive symmetrical triangle. But what I want to see here, and this is assuming the market doesn't gap up or crypto doesn't gap up or anything, not crypto, but MSTR coin, right? What I want to see here, and this is something I talked about. Let's go to the 4 hour actually. What I want to see here is a break or a break and hold above this, box right here. We talked about this box a few videos ago where MSTR just continued to trade in this box. It finally broke out, but it ended up retesting the 21 MA. So what we want to see here, or what I would like to see here before I enter this play, is a break and retest of this trend line. Break, retest. And if you don't know what this trend line is, or you just have short-term memory, it's the symmetrical triangle we just talked about in a weekly time frame. Break, retest, and I'm telling you guys now, the sky is the limit. Now, 360 is the 100 MA. That's pretty much in your way. But if you can break above that, I mean, you're heading towards some insane levels. We're talking about 380 highest. I'm looking at is about 400 for MSTR. You also on a daily time frame, you have this falling wedge pattern as well. So I mean, it's looking really really good so far. 345 is the key level that I was looking at. Our first key level that I was looking at for a break and retest. Next level I'm looking at is 350, which will be inside the symmetrical triangle. Do your own due diligence, do your own research. Coin is probably my favorite play right now. I know I said it was one of my least favorite plays a few videos ago, but it was still a play I was looking at. Triple bottom on a daily time frame. Bottom here, bottom here, bottom here. Neckline 345. Not only that, guys, you go to the 4 hour time frame and below, you're creating a bull flag under the neckline 345. Again, I don't know what's going to cause this. I don't know if anything's going to cause this. I don't even know if this is going to actually happen. All I know is that institutions are expecting something, and it's looking like it's going to be pretty big. All right, you have this massive gap fill, and I talked about coin like multiple times. I told you guys my price target for coin still remains the same: 380, 400. Highest we're looking at is 500 long term. You have this huge gap fill at 380, 375, 380 range. Very much possible, especially if you're talking about this triple bottom playing out. So what you want to see here is a break and retest of 345. If you want to say psych level 350, just to play it safe, from there you're very illiquid towards the upside. You go to the 4 hour time frame and you see, I mean, all you got to do is look to the left, guys. Extremely illiquid towards the upside. 380, 375 will come pretty fast if coin breaks this neckline, this triple bottom neckline. Real quick, before we go, core weave. I told you guys about core weave multiple times. I said if core weave can get above 125, you're heading to the moon. Core weave went shot all the way to 130. Shout out to Discord members. Made an absolute bag off the 130 strike calls for September 6th. So shout out to Discord members. Shout out to D Limes as well. He made a killing off the core weave play. He did his own thing, of course, right? He did his own thing. He picked his own strikes, but regardless, he followed the guidance, made about 77K off that play. So Discord link will be in the description below if you're interested in trading and investing with us. But yeah, I mean, beautiful, beautiful week. We did take our first loss after like a 2 week win streak. It was bound to happen. We were eventually going to lose. We took a loss on ARM. ARM, pretty bullish on ARM. Right, I'm still bullish on ARM regardless of the loss. You have this inverse head and shoulders pattern. As long as ARM holds 140, I think ARM can head towards 170. So we'll probably see a bounce off 140, and then ARM will bounce back towards the upside. I'm looking at 160 strike calls for October 17th. And then last but not least, UNH. Still bullish on UNH, but worst case scenario, UNH just simply retest the 21 MA at 325. I think there's a gap there as well between 325 and 323. But regardless, pretty bullish on UNH. I think UNH can head towards 400. Um, Last but not least, Bitcoin. Obviously, I got to go over Bitcoin in order to talk about coin and MSTR. As long as Bitcoin holds 114K, guys, you're fine. You're not great. You're not terrible. You're fine. All right. You're just okay. You're just neutral. But if Bitcoin can break and hold above 117.5, pack your bags. You're heading to another galaxy when it comes to MSTR and coin. That's the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until the next video, traders, have a good one.